For years, I spent countless hours turning compost piles, layering greens and browns, and waiting patiently for the perfect rich soil amendment. I thought it was the only way to feed my garden naturally. Then, one day, I discovered a surprising secret hiding in my kitchen. Orange peels. Yes, the humble leftover rinds from my morning juice or afternoon snack turned out to be a game changer. So potent that in some cases they replaced all my compost. This simple, overlooked resource not only nourishes the soil, but also supports microbial life, improves texture, and boosts plant growth. Today, I'm revealing how orange peels became my secret weapon, how they work, and exactly how you can use them to supercharge your garden without relying on traditional compost. Orange peels are packed with nutrients that plants love. The reason orange peels work so well in the garden lies in their nutrient profile. They contain nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals essential for plant growth. When incorporated into soil, they slowly release these nutrients, feeding plants over time. Unlike some composts that require months to fully break down, orange peels start contributing benefits quickly while simultaneously improving soil structure. To apply this in your own garden, shred or chop the peels before using them. Smaller pieces decompose faster and integrate more evenly into the soil. For raised beds or container gardens, you can sprinkle the shredded peels over the surface and, lightly incorporate them with a hand rake or fork. Over the season, you'll notice more robust foliage and healthier root systems without the need for complex composting routines. Orange peels support a thriving microbial ecosystem. Healthy soil isn't just about nutrients, it's about the living organisms that make those nutrients available to plants. Orange peels provide carbon and organic matter that feed beneficial microbes and earthworms. These organisms aerate the soil, break down organic materials and, produce compounds that enhance fertility naturally. By adding peels regularly, you're essentially creating a microbe-friendly environment that continuously improves soil health over time. For practical application, you'll want to layer orange peels with other organic matter, such as coffee grounds or, shredded leaves. This combination provides a balance of nitrogen and carbon, which is really essential for microbial activity. You can also lightly water the layer to accelerate decomposition and encourage earthworm activity. The result is a self-sustaining soil ecosystem that honestly requires minimal intervention. Orange peels help retain moisture and improve soil texture. One of the most overlooked benefits of orange peels is their ability to enhance soil structure. As they decompose, they add bulk to clay-heavy soils, improving drainage and preventing compaction. In sandy soils, they help retain moisture and create a more stable environment for roots. This dual effect makes them, incredibly versatile, capable of addressing multiple soil problems simultaneously. You can see results in just a few weeks by layering shredded orange peels across the soil surface and covering them with mulch. The peels slowly break down while retaining water, reducing the frequency of irrigation. Over time, the soil becomes richer, more friable, and better suited for a variety of crops, from leafy greens to fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. Orange peels can deter pests naturally. An unexpected bonus of using orange peels is their natural ability to deter certain pests. Citrus oils in the peels have been shown to repel aphids, slugs, and some types of ants. By strategically placing peels around the base of plants, you create a subtle, chemical-free barrier that protects your crops while avoiding harmful pesticides. For best results, place small pieces of peel near vulnerable plants, especially seedlings and young shoots. Refresh the peels every few weeks to maintain effectiveness, and combine with other organic deterrents like coffee grounds or neem oil for an integrated pest management approach. You see, this method allows you to protect plants without disrupting the natural soil ecosystem. Applying orange peels effectively, well, it really requires consistency and observation. Regular additions ensure a steady release of nutrients, maintain microbial activity, and provide ongoing soil improvement. By, observing plant responses and adjusting quantities based on growth, soil type, and moisture conditions, you can really fine-tune their effectiveness. A practical approach is to incorporate peels weekly or bi-weekly, chopping them into smaller pieces and layering them directly onto soil or under mulch. And in container gardens, just mix peels into the top few inches of soil to allow for rapid decomposition. Over the course of a growing season, your plants will respond with increased vigor, reduced stress, and higher yields, sometimes even eliminating the need for traditional compost entirely. Orange peels. Now there's a sustainable zero-waste soil solution if ever I've seen one. You see, the beauty of this approach is not merely its effectiveness, it's also wonderfully sustainable. Think about it. Orange peels are just kitchen waste that would otherwise be discarded. Fascinating, isn't it? By repurposing them in your garden, you reduce food waste, minimize reliance on store-bought fertilizers, and promote a healthy living soil ecosystem. This approach is accessible to any gardener, regardless of space, budget, or experience. The humble orange peel is more than just a leftover snack. It's a nutrient-packed, microbial-friendly, moisture-retaining, pest-deterring powerhouse for your garden. By integrating orange peels into your soil, you can reduce or even replace traditional compost, improve plant health, and create a sustainable garden ecosystem. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this video with fellow gardeners. Embrace this forgotten kitchen secret and watch your soil and your plants thrive like never before.